What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about the YEYIAN Pegasus 1000W ATX 3.0 modular power supply. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now in front of me, I have everything that comes in the box here. Of course, you will get the power supply unit itself. You're going to get all of your cables, and I'll go ahead and put up on the screen a graphic that's going to show you all of the connectors that you are going to get with this unit. Now, almost all of the cables will have the flat cable design, which is really common when it comes to power supplies these days, and it really makes it easy to route and organize all of your cables. Now, the only cable that does not have that flat cable design is our 24-pin ATX power connection. It is more or less sleeved here. It is worth noting that we do get that 12VH PWR power cable with this, and this is directly from the power supply into your RTX 40 series graphics cards, so no need for adapters or anything like that. You can do 600 watts through this single cable here, which is really nice. You will get your power cable. You're going to get a set of zip ties and mounting hardware, and you will go ahead and get your user's guide. Now, as we take a first look at the unit here, one of the first things that I did notice is that it's like the normal size. It's not longer. Sometimes when you get up to 1000 watts, the power supplies get longer, making them harder to fit in a lot of cases. This is the normal size, so you won't have to worry about it fitting in your case or anything like that. As I mentioned, this is 1000 watts. It is ATX 3.0. and it is 80+ platinum certified, which is really awesome and definitely something that you want. Now, taking a look at the unit itself, on this side, it simply just says YEYIAN. You can see it's sort of like embossed right there. On the opposite side, you will just have a sticker that has all of your pertinent information on it. And then on this side, we have all of our modular connections. Being modular means that you only use the cables that you need. All of our modular connections here are labeled as well, so you know where to plug everything in. And then on top of that, we have our 12VH PWR power connection right there. On the end here, we do have, all ventilation right here, power connection right there, and then a physical power on and off button that you are going to get there. And then on the bottom, we have our fan. So this is a 140 millimeter cooling fan, going to keep things inside nice and cool. Talking about what's inside, you do have 100% Japanese made capacitors in here, which are like the best out there as well. So if you are looking for a new modular power supply, especially one that's in the higher wattage, this is 1000 watts, this is one that I would definitely recommend.